been modified with a Cobra Sport exhaust to sound super sick and super loud. I think it's time we take my friend Harry down to Sheffield to see the guys down at Cobra Sport Exhaust to get his Mini Cooper from sounding boring as fuck to sounding super sick with an exhaust. So yeah, let's go. Alright guys, so this is actually my friend Harry.
Hello.
This is his Mini Cooper with the fucking purple lights. So yeah, for today's video guys, we are actually going to be heading down to Cobra Sport Exhaust to get an exhaust on Harry's Mini Cooper because it's so quiet right now, it's boring.
It's like a Dyson.
It is like a Dyson, and I was going to say I use Dysons at work all the time, I use Henry the Hoovers, and I feel like I see Henry the Hoovers everywhere. I'm fed up. So yeah, why don't you give us a little walk round of your car, what you've kind of done to it, you know, like, huh?
All the rubbish in it?
Yeah, it's a shit box, so it would kind of make sense for all the rubbish in.
Yeah, so we've obviously got the thingies, wedges.
4D plate, which is
That's not, look at the fact it was hanging down.
Oh,
No,
I wasn't looking at that part. I was looking at the fact that you haven't bought them from Reg Plate King and used my discount code. That's what I was looking at.
I'm actually going to do that.
Terrible friend.
Yeah. And then we've obviously got the LED lights in it.
LED purple lights. These literally show that it's Harry's car. Like, it's like his signature.
You can see me covered.
Signature thing. At night time when he drives, we always know it's him. We're like, oh, it's Harry, because we just see his purple lights. You've got a crusty mini badge.
Yeah, we've got lots of stone chips.
Lots of stone chips.
Foggy headlights.
Foggy headlights. What about, don't miss the big part, the fat crack along your windscreen. It actually doesn't look as bad. Oh no, wait.
Oh, and actually,
no, the whole way along, guys.
Right, we've got the
wonky sticker
that half the moon's fallen off of.
Brilliant.
But, you know.
Perfect. He's got a sunroof though, guys. And you, when I tell you, you will never see him with his sunroof shut. Like, it'll be like winter, and his sunroof is still open. So
yeah, always open.
If you want to get in his car, you're going to be, oh. I didn't realise there was anyone there. Should have gave me a little bit of a pre-warning there. Can you fucking... Yeah, he's got a little dodgy screen as well. Can't tell where it's coming up from. Hey!
There you go. Bluetooth.
Is it Apple CarPlay?
Yeah, it is actually.
Little Apple CarPlay vibe going on. Yeah. Some new...
They're actually on, I didn't realise that. Backlights? Tail lights? What are they called?
Tail lights?
Yeah.
We're going to go with lights. Yeah, give us a rev. Oh, you can hear it rattle actually. Oh, wow, that's elite, that is. My guy needs Cobra so bad. A first car buyer's biggest fear is how to know if they're buying the right car and how to avoid costly mistakes. And that's why a quick car vertical scan can put your mind at rest when it comes to buying a used car. But before I show you guys how car vertical actually works, if you are at all interested, click the link in my description to get an automatic 20% off, or use my discount code Chloe, which will also get you 20% off. So how car vertical works is you actually take the VIN or the registration number, pop it into car vertical, and it produces a report for the previous history of that specific car. I have actually got a report here for a Mercedes-Benz C-Class, and as you guys can see, the odometer and the financial and legal status is all good. However, there is a warning light for damage. If I click that, I can see this vehicle is marked an insurance write-off. We can see that it was written off as category S, so it's repairable, however there was structural damage. The good thing about car vertical is they give you photos to go along with the damage. So as you guys can see from these ones, in 2020, the front end is literally crushed, and the back end's even worse, it's literally mashed to pieces. However, from this car vertical report, we can see that in 2021, it's literally been fixed, and you'd have no idea that anything had even happened to it. It literally looks like brand new. And that's why it's so important to do a quick car vertical scan, because you could potentially not even know anything had happened to the car if you didn't scan it through car vertical first. So yeah, if you guys are at all interested in car vertical, click the link in my description to get an automatic 20% off, or use my discount code Chloe, which will also get you 20% off. And yeah, go check your used car on car vertical today. So yeah, let's go do some quick drive-bys with the Mini Cooper, just so we can compare the before and after once he's got a Cobra Sport exhaust system on it, because hopefully it's going to be a massive difference.
Hopefully.
Fingers crossed, should do. If it sounds anything like mine, you're lucky.
Yeah. Hopefully it does.
Yeah. I don't know if you guys can see. There's a man who looks like he's wearing a Canadian hat and he's carrying a sword. Yeah, so that is obviously Harry's Mini Cooper, completely stock basically, and obviously boring as fuck when it comes to noise. So we are obviously heading up to Cobra Sport Exhaust tomorrow, up to Sheffield, really early actually. My guy's getting me up, I think you're picking me up about 5:15 in the morning.
About that.
He's having a laugh. Cobra, you're taking the piss at this point. But yeah, we're both super excited to hear the obviously massive noise upgrade that we're gonna have on Harry's Mini Cooper. I will see you guys tomorrow.
Very early.
Yeah, very early. Don't laugh, it's not funny anymore.
It is funny.
I'm gonna cry. Let's go!
Two hours later.
Wow, that sounds lovely, Harry.
Yeah.
Oh my god. If I wanted my car to sound rattly, I'd come to you.
Yeah, I'm the best at it.
Okay, so we have made it down to Cobra. We're currently in the waiting area. Look, they've got sick exhaust on the wall.
Yeah, and a little sign.
And a little Cobra sign. You guys will know we've been down to Cobra twice now. Obviously with my black Audi, and then we come back down with my white Audi. So now we've brought Harry up.
Yeah.
To get the Cobra Sport touch to his car. We've just drove his car in, it's up on the ramps now. The guy fitting it doesn't want to be on camera, which is fair enough. Private life is a happy life, you know what they say? They said it is going to take about 4 hours because obviously it is a custom exhaust because they don't actually do one for the Mini Cooper. So it is being completely custom. So it does just take a little bit longer. Shall we get up, Harry?
Yeah,
and we can show the tips that he's chosen because obviously he got to choose what tips he wanted.
So we've gone for this style, which is apparently, is it Jack
It's like Jap Cam style, isn't it?
We're going to try and get
like
as big as a tip as we can in the sort of
hold.
Yeah.
The guy was like, how loud do you want it? Like scale of 1 to 10. And what did you say, Harry?
As loud as we can get it.
So basically 10. So I just honestly feel really bad for his neighbours basically like. But hopefully it'll sound really sick, so it's gonna be cool. And we're having a quick cheeky walk to Aldi, which is literally
next door.
Next to Cobra. They've made it really easy for me. Thoughtful of them actually to buy their unit here just because they knew I had to take a trip to Aldi. We've come to Ulster. So we're gonna make our way around all the shops because we've got 4 hours to go.
Yeah. Going to Costa next.
Start the car, it's a little sound test now. Are you scared, Harry?
Yeah, very. Holy shit. That's mad.
That is mad. That's not good.
I can literally feel like the ground. That's mad.
Nice.
It doesn't.
Sounds like exhaust. Happy?
Well, happy. That is
That
mad.
bob's quite nice,
It
you
does.
know. Okay, so that is the exhaust fitted onto Harry's Mini Cooper. Actually sounds sick, like he's gassed with it. I'm gassed with it because Cobra does a sick job every single time. Obviously it is a custom exhaust, so they completely welded it all up, everything like that. But yeah, as you guys know, I've been to Cobra a few times now. They're honestly one of my favourite companies. They're elite every time, they just do it every time. So yeah, if you guys want to get yourself an exhaust, a sports cat, anything, use my discount code Chloe, which will get you 10% off. You can order it online to deliver to your house to fit yourself. You can come down to their unit in Sheffield to get them to fit it for you. Let's hop in the car, get the GoPro up, and we'll listen to the car as we drive. Actually sounds sick, I'll give it him. Don't like to compliment Harry too much on the car. I'll give it him, it sounds sick. Let's go.
Can I start it now?
No, Harry. I'm genuinely going to knock you out if you ask me again. We got the windows open too, guys, so you can hear it properly, but let's start the car.
You ready? Can I start it now?
Yes, go.
Yeah!
Give it a rev, just one.
That was too good.
Let's go, let's hear it when it actually drives.
That's it!
Oh, he's got rattling fucking things
Oh
though.
wait, I'll put the windows up.
That's sick.
Sorry mate, I should have let you cross. She does not look happy with me.
She says, what is that lovely sounding exhaust you have on your car? Harry, oh my god.
Oh, this is addictive.
God, everyone's gonna hear you coming. Joey, since getting this Cobra exhaust on, it pops a lot more, doesn't it?
Yeah,
like,
it sounds quite good.
It sounds sick when it pops. Do you know, it's a good feeling when you leave Cobra and you drive. Isn't it such a nice feeling?
Yeah, it is, to be fair.
God, it gives me like, I miss my car being down there, even though it's got.
It did a little pop!
I don't crash.
Yeah, I was getting a bit excited then. Like, what way do I go? A bit.
Did you even put your sack back on?
I have no idea where I'm going.
Oh yeah!
I'm just gonna keep going around the roundabout, hurry up.
Right, keep going. Wait, no, here. No, not here. Sorry, that's. Keep going.
Here.
No.
Chloe!
Here. I think. Down. Here.
Here.
Oh no, that's a fast station. Sorry. Harry's a liability when he drives anyway, so you add the exhaust on, it kind of gets him hyped up. So he's more of a liability, basically. Fucking hell, eh? Fucking Lord. His car sounds sick now, though.
I did not expect it to sound this good.
Yeah, it sounds really good, actually. Cobra works wonders every time.
They work their wonders.
I can't rave enough about Cobra, like, they're the best people down there.
Yeah.
They make everything so good. They're always elite. Want to buy yourself an exhaust, sports cat, anything like that, use my discount code Chloe, which get you 10% off. Go follow them on Instagram as well, at CobraSportUK. Comment on that recent posting that I sent you. Happy?
Very happy.
Happy?
Well worth it.
Yeah. Okay, so it's the next day. Harry's been driving around with his new exhaust for like a day and a half now.
Yeah, about that.
How are you finding it?
I'm actually loving it, you know. It's definitely worth the money. The quality of it's actually really good.
Yeah, Cobra's quality is always elite though, like no matter what. Sounds nice, to be fair. It makes like a little burbly sound. You guys would have obviously heard it loads of times. I think it's a win for your car.
It's a win-win.
It's a win-win. He stuck his little Cobra sticker on. I don't know if you guys can see. I'll show you in a second.
I don't know if I can see. Like there, no, on the fucking. So, there.
But yeah, massive shout out to Cobra for making Harry's car,
Transforming it. That's the one.
transforming it into a slightly less version of a shitbox.
Yeah, it's a shitbox plus now.
Yeah. But yeah, massive shout out to them guys. You guys know I love Cobra, always have. They've transformed my car and they've also transformed Harry's car now. They're super sick. So if you guys are at all interested in getting yourself an exhaust, sports cat, anything. Go check Cobra out. Use my discount code Chloe, which will get you 10% off. But yeah, obviously, again, check Cobra out. Use my discount code Chloe for 10% off. Follow Cobra on Instagram at Cobra Sport UK. Follow Harry on Instagram at H6OXN. Follow me on Instagram.
Don't forget that one.
You'll get that one in there, cheeky plug, at CHL_.OE. Subscribe to my channel down below. And I'll see you, or we'll see you, in my next video. Bye!